How to solve Trust Wallet not showing balance. So here I have made a step-by-step guide. If you're facing this problem, by end of this video, you will definitely get your solution. First of all, you have to check network status. Sometimes wallet balance may not display correctly due to the network issue or maintenance on the blockchain network. So further, you have to visit Trust Wallet official website or social media channel to check if there is going any issue with the network. Or you, first of all, you also need to check your internet connection too, your Wi-Fi connection too. Then you have to refresh this wallet. Close the Trust Wallet app completely and then reopen it. Make sure you just close from the background too. The simple action often refresh the wallet and prompts it to update the balance. The third is sync blockchain. In the Trust Wallet app, you may have the option to manually sync the blockchain. Look for this option in the setting or wallet setting menu and initiate a manual sync. Then check transaction history. Review your transaction history with the Trust Wallet app to ensure that your transaction have been confirmed on the blockchain. If a transaction is pending or failed, it may affect your balance display because the money is on hold. Check wallet address. Verify that you're looking at the correct wallet address within the Trust Wallet app. It's possible that you are viewing a different wallet or address that doesn't contain your funds. Update Trust Wallet. This is very important. Make sure you're just using the latest version of Trust Wallet. Just go to the iPhone, just go to the App Store or Play Store depending upon your operating system of your phone or laptop or PC, and just update that app right now, because the latest version may resolve your any issue causing the balance not to display correctly. Re-import wallet. If your wallet is not displaying the correct balance after trying the above steps, you may consider re-importing your wallet into the Trust Wallet app. Ensure that you have your wallet recovery phrase or private key handy before attempting this. Then the last option is contact the support team. If none of the above steps resolve your issue, you can reach out to the Trust Wallet customer support for assistance. They may able to provide further guidance or investigate the issue on their end. Double check address. If you're expecting a specific balance from a transaction, ensure that you have sent the funds to the correct wallet address. Sometimes sending asset to the wrong address can result in funds not appearing in your wallet. So guys, by following the steps which I have mentioned above, you can resolve this issue. I hope you found this video very successful and helpful. Make sure to like this video, subscribe.